So you want to create something with your hands, whether it's a short story, a YouTube video, or a piece of music, and then you want to release it online for everyone to see and like and share as you bask in the praise and prestige of your peers while drinking margaritas at the beach as you count your cash with your hot spouse. Well, don't. That takes a ton of time, energy, and there's no guarantee that it will be of any value to anybody. It's a shitty, risky, and painful strategy, but if you still feel like doing it, then congratulations. You've been cursed with creativity. Step 1. Conception. The seed that will conceive a project is called an idea. Ideas come from information you consume, which will germinate inside your brain and eventually sprout a concept. So basically, if you eat bad content, you'll secrete bad content. Great. Once you feed your mind nutritious stuff and an idea pops up, capture it and legitimize it by giving it a nice name. Then, define it by asking yourself critical questions like, what's this idea all about? What's the genre? Where does it come from? Why is it significant? Am I significant? Yeah, just don't get too attached and then write a 1 or 2 sentence summary. Good job. Now find a calendar and pick a deadline. Make it long enough such that your life doesn't fall apart because of it, but ambitious enough such that it makes you a little bit nervous. Fantastic. Now make a quick blood pact with your deity of choice as a symbol of faith and commitment, and now you've successfully conceived a thing. Step 2. Incubation. Incubating is a process of project development that involves a lot of legwork, and sometimes a lot of sitting. But it is a process, and here's how it works. Any project can be broken down into 3 mediums: written, visual, and audio. And each medium can be refined through a 2-step cycle: research and development. And each cycle can be condensed into a single, final thing. Start by picking an appropriate medium. Then, research. Researching is the necessary heat that will evaporate information into your brain. And if you fell asleep during 9th grade English, here's everything you missed in 5 seconds. Have your topic, ask your question, find your answers, take your notes, and compile everything in a folder. Keep this up until the information is so condensed in your dumb head that it just needs to pour out. Once you're very less dumb, apply your new knowledge to your concept and you should have a first draft. If it's audio, it might look like a 4-bar loop. If it's visual, it might look like a skeleton edit. If it's written, it might just be an outline. And congratulations, by now you should have precipitated something shitty. Now, just repeat this cycle until your project goes from bad and dumb to okay and less dumb to a single, final thing. Listen, I know it takes time. I know it takes effort. But this is just how skills are developed, so don't be afraid to be bad at first. Oh, and also you signed a blood pact, so... Step 3. Labor. So you know the process of incubating the thing, but you can't just sit on it forever. If you actually want to create something significant, then you have to give it a significant amount of focus, and that's labor. First, you need to schedule a chunk of time to focus. 1 hour is okay, 2 hours is good, but 3 hours is ideal. Then, pick and stay in a place where you won't be distracted. Lastly, it's time to labor. Once you're at the right place at the right time, pick a single object to focus and just focus. Pick the one thing for your project such that by doing it, everything else becomes easier or unnecessary. This is when shit starts getting real. First, your mind will resist to do everything except focus. It will think of this to do and justify that to do. It will even trick you into wanting to do the dishes. But just remember that this uncomfortable feeling of resistance is a normal symptom of deliberate focus, and as long as you continue to focus, it will fade away and you'll begin to tap into your creativity. You'll go into labor. This is when you become completely immersed in your work. Ideas flow and you begin to hatch your imagination. Hello? I'm imagination. I represent freedom of ideas, inspiration, vision, and in some cultures, owing to the animation algorithm, how may I help you? Hey, I'm looking to find a creative solution to a dramatic problem. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm trying to launch a Patreon so I can make more content and, start a Discord, make a community, give people bonus things and stuff like that so I can buy better cereal, but I want it to be creative to prove a point, Okay, yeah, we got a special package going on right now. It's going to cost about a ton of time and effort and a little bit of sanity. Is that okay? Yeah, okay, I'll take it. Would you like to add cheese to that order? Of course, yeah. All right, we'll be shipping the vision shortly. Thank you for calling. Well, that was...
Sick and tired of creative malnourishment? Introducing Imaginary Patreon. Nutrition for your imagination.